About me and you, and I think to myself, what a wonderful world.
Hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will be filming for you an inspired look of Ariana Grande. I will be filming for you a makeup look which I was inspired by, and that's of Ariana Grande, and the picture will go up on the side so you shall see what look I am creating. But as you can see, I've already done her classic hairdo. Honestly, I can't wait to complete this look for you guys because I love her music. So yeah, let's get on with it. So I'm going to first go in with my eyes, and I'm going to start off, today I'll be using brow, and I'm literally just creating strokes of hair in my eyebrow to just give it a bit more of a fuller feel. And then just comb through. And I'm going to do the same with the other eye. I'm going to go in with my brow wiz, just very lightly on top, and just add to the strokes. I'm going to go in with my Tarth Shape Tape Concealer, and this is in the shade Medium Tan Sand, and I'm just literally using this to clean up underneath, and today I'll also be doing it above. With your beauty blender and just blend that out so you've got no harshness. I'm just going to set my eyes quickly with translucent powder. The first shade that I'll be using today is Monica. I think it's called Monica, from the Kat Von D palette. I'm literally just taking this colour and putting the product, packing it on all over my eyelid. I literally can't wait for this look. So this look was actually created by Daniel Chinchilla. He's a celebrity makeup artist in LA and his work is amazing. You have inspired me to create this look and I can't wait. So I'm literally just packing this in, circular motions all over my eyelid. Okay, so the next colour I'm going to go in with my hands this time, is the shade Marina from the Makeup by Mario palette. And I'm literally simply just applying this with my finger all over my lid. And then we'll blend that out. So I'm just going back in with the blending brush and just blending out the edges so they're not that harsh. And I'm going to do the same with the other eye. From the Kat Von D palette again, there's a shade called Luna, and I'm just going to apply some of that on top of this. And it's just a bit more of a shimmer. And I'm going to go a bit more towards the inner duct. Once again, just using a blending brush and literally just blending that out. Okay guys, now it's time for the eyeliner, which is the main part of this look. So I am totally excited. I'm down with the eyes. Okay, cool. Let's do this, guys. I'll be using today the Maybelline Lasting Drama Gel Eyeliner. So that's the container, guys. It comes with a cute applicator, and it's got like the blending side, so that's quite cute actually. So what I like to do whenever I use a gel eyeliner, I don't like to keep dipping into the product. I feel like this will dry it out over time. So using the applicator that comes with it, I am literally just taking some of the product and I'll put it onto the back of my hand, and then I'll use this because this is more than enough. So I'll use this to actually create the look that I want. I'm going to try using this first and see how I go. I might end up swapping and going in with a different eyeliner brush. Obviously, I'm not going to copy the look exactly. It has inspired me, so I will tweak it up a little bit more. I actually really like the consistency of this. Eyeliner is one thing you have to be so patient with. it's not actually smoked out. So using this brush, I am literally now blending this out. So now I'm going to go in with black eyeshadow. I'm going to have to revert back to my Morphe palette. This is the one palette that I cannot live without. Okay, now I'm just applying black eyeshadow across the whole of the line. And now I'm going to slightly start pulling this back out again. So just keep blending it, guys, across, and now that line has fully smoked out. You see how much that's smoked out? I'm gonna go back in with a teeny bit more of the black eyeshadow. And I'm just gonna use a different brush with a little bit of brown on there. That was step one, guys, of the eye. I'm gonna go and do exactly the same on the other eye, and then we will be back again. Then we shall resume. So I've just gone and done both eyes, and literally now it's time for the second part of the eyeliner. I'm gonna go in with my angled brush this time because I feel like I need a lot more precision. So guys, one eye done and time to do the next one. I will be doing the other one off camera completely because goodness gracious, that was a lot of pressure under the camera. So I'm back and I've just finished doing my second eye, and that is how the eyes look. But I have to say that was definitely the hardest thing that I have done on myself. I did not realize how hard doing the second eye would be, but I'm not going to talk through too much of this. I'm going to go quite quickly through this base tutorial because it's pretty much what I would do normally. Okay, so one of the things that I'm going to try different today is this new foundation. So I just finished applying the Maybelline concealer underneath my eyes on top, and this just gives a really nice finish to the skin. So the next thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to go in with my Charlotte Tilbury powder and just use this to lightly set my eyes first. And this just really helps brightening this area, and once again it will just hold your makeup and this will just not budge. Honestly, I cannot express enough my love for the L'Oreal True Match. Look at my skin. I did not even use a color corrector. I'm absolutely obsessed. I will film a proper base tutorial again because I couldn't finish today's video purely because my daughter woke up. But yeah, thank you so much for watching, guys. If you do want me to create a tutorial to show you how I did this base, please let me know. 100% love this product, cannot get enough of it. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you do like this video, and don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Yes, that's my daughter in the background. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. Lots of love, guys. Take care. Bye.